Yes, what you see here is a house in Woodinville, Washington, where the owner had stucco on the house and the window sills had failed, so they went with a cedar shingles in the front and a 1/2x8 clear cedar bevel siding on the back and sides. The window trims are a mixture of clear finger jointed cedar, and they have 2x3 prime spruce sills. The alley band is prime spruce. It's a bandsaw shingle, a #1 bandsaw shingle, and this what you see here is the 1/2x8 clear bevel siding. The window trims have a side band of a 2x2, which is notched over a 1x6 finger jointed. It's got a Roman ogee on the side, give it an effect, and it notches over the 5/8 to weather it in, down to the 2x3 sill with a little shoe underneath the sill. You see it there. And then the header is the same piece that just nails over the top, like a crown molding around the top. Like on these bay windows here, this is a 1x that's for the filler around the windows on the outside, and it'll paint up really nice and smooth. This product is a beautiful clear product. It's got good links in it, huge amount of vertical grain in the product. It's one we stock all the time. Be beautiful with a clear coat. It runs well. This particular load ran probably 98% vertical grain.
Again, this wire right here, I'm looking at one flat grain board and not the second. If I move down the wall, I see maybe one more right up from the bottom up. Basically, you go down that wall, you should all be good.
Well, this concludes a walk around for the house in Woodinville, Washington. That was the builder was Keith Chin, and he did a beautiful job on this.